Hi, welcome back. It's a simple topic. So, different ways to create with reference sales order to sales order. Okay, create with reference. Basically, you aware of this? Probably you might not know one of the method which I am going to show you now. Okay, so for this, we'll use the transaction which you already know, VA01 and VA02. Okay, it depends on the situation. Okay, let's come back to the SAP screen. Okay, let's create a sales order now. So let's take 5 pieces. Check edit incomplete log and save it. Okay, so now you have created a sales order. Now let's go VA02. Okay, so generally you copy this one. You'll create a sales order, create with reference. Okay, select the order. So there must be copy control exists between order to order. Then only you can able to do it. This is one way. Okay. And second method is if you go to the same VA01, so you can click here and you can click create with reference, or else you can click here also. These are the two ways you can able to access it. Again, you put it, copy it, and save the sales order. Okay. So now let's go to VA03. Currently, you have seen the two methods, two sales orders got created. Okay. Now let me show you another key method. Go to display and go to the change. Okay. It is better to go to the change. And here you see here create with reference, it is there. Create subsequent order. Okay. By using that, you are creating one more order. Okay. So it will go to the same place, but it directly go to the sales order. Previously, it is going to the previous screen. You are selecting it is actually or I mean it try to accommodate one step less actually. Okay. Either way, it is okay. Okay. But if you go here, go inside, create with reference, similar story, but it is by default either going to inquiry or quotation. So now you want to order them, select the order. Let's copy it. Okay. This is how you can able to create with reference in different ways. Okay. What is the base for to link all these documents? Your document flow. We have created these orders. Okay. Linking orders. So let's go to the 20263. Is it there? I think we have deleted this one. 264. Okay. Now you can able to see subsequent means it is coming below this step actually. Okay. Otherwise, with reference means it is coming in a line like this. So this is the only difference. Otherwise, nothing differs. Okay. So I think you will like this small session. If you like my channel, you can subscribe it. And if you go to my Udemy channel, you can able to find all different courses if you really like it, and SD S4 HANA totally 20 plus courses available. If you really want it, you can try the courses which is beneficial to you. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving your time. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Bless you all.